My child, I see how tired you are. I see the pain in your bones, the ache in your back that won't go away, the fatigue that no sleep seems to cure. You wake up weary. You push through your day, smiling on the outside, but breaking on the inside. You feel like your body is betraying you. Every movement is a reminder that you're not as strong as you used to be. And I know, the doctors may not understand what's wrong. Your friends might think you're exaggerating. Even your prayers. Sometimes they feel like they disappear into silence. But I want you to hear me clearly. I am with you. And I promise you this, I will give you a new body. Not just someday in eternity, but even now, I will begin to restore what was broken. You may not see it instantly, but inside you, I am working a miracle. Every cell, every heartbeat, every breath, I am touching it with my healing. You are not forgotten. You are not defective. You are precious. I saw every tear you cried when no one was watching. I held you when the pain was so deep you couldn't even speak. And I never left. Your suffering is not wasted, my child. It is weaving a testimony, a song of victory that hell cannot silence. I know how hard it is to carry this body when it feels like a burden. But I am preparing something glorious. A new body, strong, whole, radiant. One that will never know pain again. And while you wait, I will strengthen your spirit. I will walk with you through every hospital room, every restless night, every doctor's report. You are not just surviving. You are being renewed, day by day. Even in the weakness, I am showing you my strength. Even in the breaking, I am pouring out my love. So lean into me. Let me carry you when your legs give out. Let me be the peace that stills the anxiety, the warmth in the cold ache of loneliness. One day soon, you will dance again with no pain. You will laugh without restraint. You will run freely with no fear of falling, because I will give you a new body. And even more, I will give you myself. I love you. I'm not finished with you yet. Hold on, because healing is coming. This was God's message for today, and if you love Jesus, then type Amen. Thank you and God bless you.